Stop. Don't choose your study abroad destination just yet because not all the countries provide post-study work visa. And imagine investing years in education and thousands of dollars in your education. उसके बाद realize होता है कि यार अब तो मुझे अपनी graduation के बाद वापस घर जाना पड़ेगा. Frustrating, right? So in today's video, I'll break down top countries where you can stay after your studies in 2025 so that you can make the right decision from the beginning. The point is post-study work visa important क्यों होता है? First thing is student choose their study abroad destination on the basis of the education quality, job opportunities and post-study work visa is as important. Secondly, the fact is according to ICEF monitor, over 70% of the students choose their study abroad destination according to the post-study visa policies. So let's compare the countries on the basis of three factors. Number one, post-study work visa duration. Number two, job market and work permit comparison. Number three, permanent residency options. So let's start with Canada. Long-term work and easy PR. You can get the post-study work visa up to 3 years. Unemployment rate is 5.8%. Growing market in IT, healthcare and engineering. Easiest way to PR. Students can get the PR within 1 to 2 years. Talking about downside, high cost of living in Toronto and Vancouver. FOMO tip, Canada is set to welcome 1.45 millions of immigrants by 2025. So if you are planning to study in Canada, there are high chances कि आपको permanent residence मिल जाए. So don't miss out. तो अब बात करते हैं USA की. USA is best for STEM graduates. Post-study work visa for non-STEM is 12 months and for STEM graduate it is 3 years. The average salary of STEM graduate is $90,000. Route to work visa is H1B. बात करते हैं डाउन साइड की तो H1B जो वीजा है वो हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव होता है एंड द फोमो टिप इज यूएस इज लीडिंग इन एआई फाइनेंस इंजीनियरिंग जॉब्स और जो टॉप टेक फर्म्स हैं वो प्रेफर कर रही है हायर करना इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को. सो टेक योर डिसीजन वाइजली. So let's talk about UK. UK is best for 2-year work and higher salaries. The post-study work visa duration is 2 years for all graduates. Unemployment rate is 4.2%. Industries hiring AI, cybersecurity, healthcare and finance. And downside की बात करें तो rent is very high in London. FOMO tip is after reintroducing the post-study work visa, enrollment of international students have jumped up to 30% after 2021. Number 4, Australia. Best for high-paying jobs and PR pathways. The post-study work visa duration for masters and for bachelors up to 4 years. Easiest visa route, temporary graduate visa. Industry hiring, IT, civil engineering, healthcare. Downside ये है कि some of the state have fewer job opportunities. And the FOMO tip is Australia is giving 4 years post-study work visa for regional areas. So you can extend your stay by studying outside Sydney or Melbourne. Number 5, Germany. Best for free education and higher salaries. Post-study work visa of 1.5 years. Top job fields, engineering, renewable energy and manufacturing. Tuition fees free for public universities. और डाउनसाइड ये है कि आपको जर्मन लैंग्वेज सीखनी पड़ेगी फॉर बेटर जॉब प्रोस्पेक्ट्स. फोमो टिप इज जर्मनी हैज 700,000 प्लस IT जॉब शॉर्टेज बाय 2025. So if you are in tech, you must consider Germany. Number 6, Ireland. The rising star for tech and business students. Post-study work visa of 2 years, booming tech industry, fast-track PR route, work for 2 years and then you can apply for green card. Downside is Dublin is expensive. FOMO tip, the salaries in Ireland tech industries are growing by 10% faster than in the UK. This is the hidden gem for tech students. Now is the time to reveal the secret country. Any guesses? So it is UAE. Post-study work visa of 5 years, tax-free salaries and business hub. Easiest post-study work visa. Downside ये है कि जॉब मार्केट बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव है एंड फोमो टिप ये है कि दुबई इज ऑफरिंग लॉन्ग टर्म golden visas for students. So if you study here, you can stay and work for up to 10 years. And lastly, my recommendation for you guys, you can choose Ireland, USA and Germany for your study abroad destinations. So subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such content.